What backup supplies should pop-up matcha drink stands carry? Pop-up matcha drink stands should carry extra matcha, clean water, ice, cups, lids, straws, sweeteners, milk, cleaning supplies, payment tools, and basic safety equipment. A good backup kit keeps the stand working when supplies run out or something breaks. Carry enough matcha powder for a full extra service period and store it in a sealed, dry container because heat, light, and moisture can damage its flavor. Bring extra milk or plant-based milk, plus unopened sweeteners, syrups, and flavor powders that are already approved for food service. Keep more cups, lids, straws, napkins, gloves, stirrers, and labels than you expect to use, since windy weather can waste lightweight items. Clean drinking water is important for mixing drinks, washing hands, and cleaning tools, while sealed ice should be kept in an insulated container with a scoop. A less obvious item is backup power, such as charged battery packs for payment devices, phone service, lights, and small equipment. Carry a spare whisk, shaker, measuring tools, thermometer, can opener, and food-safe tape, because one missing small tool can stop service. Also pack paper towels, sanitizer, trash bags, a first aid kit, and allergy information so the stand can stay clean and respond safely. Before each event, check stock using a simple list and separate supplies into drink ingredients, serving items, equipment cleaning items, and emergency items. One common mistake is bringing just enough ingredients, so plan for unexpected demand and keep at least one extra service period of key supplies. Another mistake is treating ice like an ordinary ingredient, but melted or poorly protected ice can become unsafe, so use food-grade ice, keep it covered, and use a clean scoop. Some stands forget that milk and matcha can be allergy concerns, so label dairy, soy, nut, and gluten information clearly and prevent shared tools from causing cross-contact. It is also easy to rely on one payment method, so carry a charged backup device and a small amount of change where local rules allow it. Keep a printed emergency contact list and event permit copies in a waterproof folder, because internet service and phone batteries can fail at the busiest moment. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.